Lesson 1, December 31 to January 6. Part of God's Family. Sabbath afternoon, read for this week's study Galatians 3, verses 26 and 29, Psalm 50, verses 10 through 12, 1 Chronicles 29, verses 13 and 14, Philippians 4:19, 1 John 5:3, and Matthew 6, verses 19 through 21. Memory text. Behold, what manner of love the Father has bestowed on us, that we should be called children of God. 1 John 3:1. As Christians, an amazing feature about our relationship with God is that He trusts us to manage His affairs on the earth. At the very outset of human history, God explicitly delegated to Adam and Eve the personal care of a flawless creation. From the naming of the animals, to keeping the garden, and to filling the earth with children, God let it be known that we are to work on His behalf here. He also blesses us with resources, but we are the ones whom He has entrusted to manage them, such as to collect money, to write the checks, to do the electronic transfers, to make the budgets, or to bring our tithes and offerings to the church on Sabbath mornings. God encourages us to spend the resources that He has given to us for our own needs, for the needs of others, and for the advancement of His work. Incredible as it may seem, we are the ones whom God has entrusted with raising His children, building His buildings, and educating the succeeding generations. In this week's study, we will explore the privileges and responsibilities of being a part of the family of God. Study this week's lesson to prepare for Sabbath, January 7.